In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can install Facebook chat widget into your WordPress website. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website. Once you install the chat widget, it'll be at the bottom right corner. It's not there yet. Let me show you where you can get it. So first of all, you log into your WordPress dashboard and then you go to plugins here. Then you click add new. Go to search and search for Facebook chat. Click on install now. It will be this one, the Facebook chat plugin. So now it's installed, just click on activate. Okay, once it's installed, you can see that it is activated here. Go to settings, go to Facebook chat, and then you can see here setup chat plugin. Let's click on it. While we are waiting, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel right now. Now back to this video, you can see that this page has popped up. So you can see here select Facebook page, just click on it. And you can see the Facebook page that's linked to your Facebook account. I have already logged into my Facebook account, so that's why you can see the Facebook page here. If you don't see the Facebook page here, just remember to log into your account and not to the page. Alright, I have issued previously where I can't see my page because I log in with a page instead of a profile. So just remember to log into your own personal account and the page should appear there. Okay, so now back to here. So you can see here, I can select the page, I click on continue, and then you can see the automation part here. You can set up all accordingly. What kind of question you want, the greetings, the welcome message, the frequently asked question. You can even customize your chat plugin. You can make it blue or you want different colors also is alright. I think I like purple, just keep it as purple. You can even choose the English, language, etc. And then all the alignment and things like that, you can just have a look. So for now, let's just click publish. So once it's published, just close the page and go to your page as well. You can see there's nothing down here, just click refresh. And you should be able to see it here. You see it's purple color, same color here. Just click on it. So you can start chat, you can continue as your profile or you can continue as guest, and then you can just chat accordingly. Now why do you change the chat settings? You can click on here, you directly go to the Meta Business Suite itself and you can see it appear here. But you'll be wondering, hey, how come I don't see the chat widget, where to edit this? Okay, let me just show you where it is. Just go to your inbox. You see the gear icon here, just click on the gear icon, go to view all settings, and you can see here there's chat plugins. Just click on it and then you can edit everything here. You can see that my domain is already added here, WK, and then you can just have the automations all being set up here again. You can see it's the similar questions that I have put in the chat just now. Alright, so you can even customize chat plugin, everything is here. Alright, so that's how easily you can set up Facebook chat widget inside your WordPress website. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Goodbye.